Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BluPeak Credit Union and its insurance. Yes, BluPeak Credit Union is insured by the National Credit Union Administration, also known as the NCUA. This means that funds deposited with BluPeak are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. The NCUA is the federal agency that regulates and supervises credit unions. It operates the National Credit Union Share Insurance Fund, or NCUA, which is similar to the FDIC insurance for banks. The standard insurance amount is up to at least $250,000 per member, per federally insured credit union, for each account ownership category. This includes accounts like savings accounts, checking accounts, and money market accounts. The insurance protects your money in the unlikely event that the credit union fails. It's important to remember that not all products are insured. For example, the NCUA does not insure money invested in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, even if they are sold through the credit union. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.